All right, we're here at the Bernheim Arboretum here in Clermont, Kentucky. And we're here to find, yet again, another set of the iconic Thomas Dambo trolls. Let's get inside and take a hike and see if we can find these iconic trolls. All right, we're here at 8 a.m. and it is brisk outside, I am not gonna lie. They suggest a $10 donation and we're happy to give it to them. All right, let's get inside and find these trolls. Forest Giants Trail, and it tells us to follow these troll footsteps to get started. Now, we already hiked the Troll that Hatched an Egg exhibit at the Allwood Autobahn in the Dayton, Ohio area. And I'll put a link to that video in the description below. So this is going to be part 2 of our giant troll series. I believe there are 3 trolls hiding deep in this Bernheim forest in the middle of Kentucky. All right, let's go find some more Thomas Dambo trolls. These woods are huge with over 16,000 acres. The Bernheim forest is one of the largest forests dedicated to conservation and education. I believe we're looking for 3 trolls today, a pregnant mother troll and her 2 children. Hopefully I don't run into any wild animals out here. I'm not sure if Kentucky has big critters or not. In Ohio, all we got to worry about is squirrels. This place is full of amazing sculptures. We're here on the 2-pond loop. There's a pond here and a pond back there. And I was just saying I have not seen any signs of trolls, but I think I see one up here. All right, I believe that the name of this troll is Little Nis. And I just love the engineering of Thomas Dambo. Look at the placement of the troll so you get the perfect reflection in the water. It's amazing. On this beautiful pond here in Clermont, Kentucky. Let's get up there and take a closer look. We made it to our first troll in Kentucky, Little Nis. And it's amazing. It's freezing today, but it is totally worth it. And here's our first troll, Little Nis. Now this troll has an association with Netflix. If you type in the show Lost Ollie and go to episode 2, about the 30-minute mark, Ollie and his friends approached this troll right here in the show. And let's get that up close and personal view here. I gotta make sure I don't do something stupid and fall in the water, so let's be careful. Amazing. Look at the detail in that face. Let's see. My foot is as big as his fingernail here. You can see my shadow. My favorite part of this one is the reflection in the water from they give you this beautiful bridge over the water to cross, and you can see his reflection on your way up to him. Incredible. Made out of recycled pallets here. Thomas Dambo refuses to hurt this beautiful forest, and he gets all of his lumber from recycled pallets, buildings that are being torn down, to show you that trash can actually be treasure. And we love it. I came bright and early at 8 a.m. There's nobody here. I'm here all by myself with this incredible art. Let's go see if we can find the other two Thomas Dambo trolls. We found our second clue for Momma Loumari and little Elina. I love how the forest turns into almost a prairie here under the morning sun. Not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because there's nobody in front of me, around me, behind me, beside me, and I'm in the Kentucky mountains all by myself. But what's life if you're not gonna live it, right? Let's do it. All right, we walked about another half mile and we still have not found a second troll, only this gigantic foot. Now these trolls are courtesy of the world's leading recycling artist, Thomas Dambo from Copenhagen, Denmark, who only uses recycled wood to turn trash into treasure. He worked with a team of local volunteers as well as members of his own artistic team. I believe he had over 250 volunteers who are more than willing to give their effort and time. Be very quiet. There's a napping troll right there. And if you wake her up, you'll end up like this dragon skull. Breakfast! Oh, sorry. All right, we made it to our second troll here, Momma Loumari, who's expecting, so we want to make sure we don't upset or bother her. She's leaning up against that beautiful redwood tree, taking a little break. Let's see if we can get a... Wow. I can't say it enough that the detail is incredible. And how they incorporate it into the nature that's already here is genius. I mean, look at the back of her head resting up against the tree. And behind Momma Lou, she's keeping some souvenirs, which include this awesome dragon skull. Now, I don't know if that's something they eat. Do trolls eat dragon skulls for breakfast and keep the skull as a souvenir? I don't know. Definitely one of my favorite trolls. I love how they incorporate it into the nature that's already there. Thomas built her napping against the tree there. And it's awesome. Here in Bernheim, Arboretum in Clermont, Kentucky. Let's go see if we can find that third troll. I just love how he's trying to get people off their couches and phones and give them a reason to be outside and active again. Oh man, look at that. Got great lighting because it's dusk. All right, we made it to our last troll, little Elina, here in the giant forest by artist Thomas Dambo. And here she is over here. Incredible. She's got a pebble in her hand, but to me, it's the size of a boulder. Of course, I can't help but to mention that this place has the whole where the wild things are vibe to it. The gigantic hand. And they encourage everyone to leave a few mementos in her hair. She's got the backdrop of the forest to look upon. The detail that goes into these things. And I love that you can't just drive up to an art museum and see them. You got to be dedicated. You got to take the trek, even if it's by yourself. In another state, in the mountain woods. So worth it. It's hard to tell, but these rocks in front of her is also a sculpture of a feather, I believe. Just standing next to it, it's hard to tell, but I bet if you had a drone or something, it would look amazing. All right, that's gonna do it from our final troll, little Elina. I just want to thank Thomas Dambo for the amazing recycled art. And until we meet again, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.